Is your team tired of attending training with the same old boring lectures and death by PowerPoint? At KPI Consultancy, we believe that the learning is in the doing and that participants should be inspired and energized. To engage and inspire our attendees, we use some of the most innovative experiential learning techniques in our training. LEGO Serious Play is an innovative methodology that encourages group discussions, storytelling, knowledge sharing, problem solving, and decision making. Participants are engaged, motivated, and inspired during the workshops, and they take away some memorable skills that can be applied in their jobs. After completing the workshop, participants come away with skills to communicate more effectively, collaborate better with their colleagues, and approach their work with increased confidence, commitment, and insight. In a LEGO Serious Play workshop, everyone gets to build their own creations from LEGO to symbolize their thoughts and opinions about a subject. Using LEGO provides a safe environment for every participant to contribute and share their thoughts with the rest of the group. Regardless of position, experience level, or seniority, participants benefit from a relaxed, free, and honest exchange of opinions with a focus on their creations. To find out more about how LEGO Serious Play can improve your team's performance, contact us today.